All right, parts and tools needed are going to be the battery, which is the CR1620, and a small Phillips head screwdriver to go ahead and pop it open to actually remove the screw. And if you want, you can go ahead and use a flat blade as well, but I'll just use my finger now. All right, so to take apart the key, there's a Phillips head screw right here. It's a really small one. You're going to want to use the small driver here. Go ahead and loosen up the screw here. Put that to the side. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to split the key. So you can either use a little flat blade in there, or if you're got some nails, you can just slide your finger through the cracks and pop it open. All right, once we pop the top cover off, we don't need to do anything here. The battery's actually on the top cover. So go ahead and pop that out, either with a flat blade or just a regular screwdriver, doesn't matter. Take the old battery out. Alright, so you might need a blade to open up your battery here. Alright, and you have to put the battery upside down. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and just stick it there. And you want to make sure it clips into these little guys right here. So once it's clipped in, we'll go ahead and put the top cover back on. And you're going to squeeze it until it clicks and the gap is gone. And we'll go ahead and put the screw in. Alright, and you do not need to go crazy tight on these. Now, as you can see, you should have action, and you should see the light blink when it's working. All right, so this key here was dead. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to program it because it lost its programming to unlock and lock the doors. So essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 4 key cycles. So we're gonna insert the key in the off position, put it in accessory mode, wait 1 second, hit the lock button or the unlock button, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it off for 1 second, repeat the cycle 4 times. So we'll insert the key. Okay, I'm going to hit the lock button, wait 1 second. All right, wait 1 second, lock, wait 1 second. All right, hit the lock button again, and then we'll shut it off, turn it on for 1 second. All right, let's do it one more time just to make sure. Sometimes what will happen is the doors will unlock or lock. So let's go ahead and give it a shot now and see if it actually works. And that's it.